Yo, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy Rontrades, and we're back here with another trade weekly breakdown video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be going over my one setup that I took this week. I went 1-0, very satisfied with my performance this week. So let's go ahead and dive right into the charts. The setup that I took, guys, was US 100 NAS 100 setup. I took this setup on the 7th, June 7th, 2022. I was trading the 6 a.m. hour. So basically I was trading right after the London move. So let's go ahead and dive a little bit more into detail on this setup here. Very classic setup here. Also what I took, very proud. Like I say, I'm very proud of myself, the way that I seen this setup and the way that I was, managing this trade. So right here, guys, in the 15 minute, as you guys can see here, if you guys don't know by now, I would really love to scope the London price action. So right here, 2 a.m. This candle here starts London. What do we do on London? So from 2 a.m., we did what? We went up and we bought. We took out buy side liquidity here. So what's more likely to happen? So who do we have in the market? So right here at what? At 6 a.m., that's when I get on the chart. So right here at 6 a.m., who do we have more in the market? Buyers. We have buyers in the market from where? London. So that means what? That means 9 times out of 10, people are going to start doing what? Chasing the move that already happened. People are going to start saying, "Hey, this is an uptrend. Prices are going, it's going to continue to keep going up from London. London made the low of the day. This and that." No, that's not how I read the market. When I came to my charts, I said, hey, we have a lot of buyers in the market. It's 6 a.m. in the market. What's the likelihood of the price continuing to rise up at 6 a.m.? It's more likely to go ahead and reverse, take out who? Take out the London buyers, go grab liquidity, and then continue to keep running up, as you guys see here. So let me show you what I was participating in, which was a short position to do what? To take out the London buyers. So my narrative is we have the London buyers that's going to be chasing the market, jamming their stop losses, going break even, this and that. By knowing them, like, hey, yeah, we probably can go ahead and take these early buyers out here that bought here during London, that's still trying to hold for the New York session, which is more likely you won't get that setup. So I said, hey, let's go ahead and look for a short. So let's go ahead and dive right into the 2-minute time frame. Well, before I do that, I want you guys to see here on the 15-minute time frame what I was looking for. So like I say, 6 a.m. starts here. So let me just mark off 6 a.m. 6 a.m. here. 6 a.m. starts right here. This is when I came to my charts and I was looking for price to show what? Displacement. What kind of displacement? Energetic displacement. So right here at 6:15, what do we got? Let's delete this right here and let me point to what I'm talking about so we can all be transparent with each other. Right here, what is this? Displacement. Why is this displacement? Well, my narrative is bearish. We have an energetic candle. I'm sorry, guys. I have an energetic candle showing displacement here. This isn't a candle that wicked out or, it wasn't an indecisive candle. This candle here let me know, hey, we're trying to go ahead and get lower. Where are we trying to go? If we're going lower, where are we going? That's the question you always want to ask yourself. What do we have here? Relative equal lows right here. Relative equal lows right here. It's going to be sell side liquidity resting below here. We're going to have people that bought right here. They're going to have their stop losses already break even. They're going to be moving in profit. Okay. So by knowing that, that means that we have liquidity in the market from these buyers that took from London. So let's go ahead and drop down to the 2-minute time frame. So I'm going to the 2-minute time frame. Let's see what others. Okay, 1 second, guys. I don't think I can go to the 15-minute for some reason. Let's see, 2-minute. Okay, it's not letting me go to the 2-minute time frame. I think I haven't paid for my subscription for TradingView. So we can just break this down here on the 15-minute. Real simple. So right here, like I say, guys, displacement. Price runs back where? Fair value gap because it took an entry here. But I want you guys to look at how specific price came. What is this right here? This energetic candle here. What is this right here? This last up close candle. An order block. This is a bearish order block. Why is this a bearish order block? That's the question you need to ask yourself. Why is that a bearish order block? What makes this a bearish order block? Once again, my narrative is what? Bearish. That's the first tick. Price showed what? Displacement. That's the second tick. Price runs where? Right back up inside of the last up close candle before the displacement. I take an entry right here. The moment price comes up here, I'm entering. Where's my stop loss then? My stop loss is now stop losses, guys. You can play this. You can play this any way you want to. My stop was right here at 176. That's why I had it right here, 176. So well, it was 176. It's 175 right here, but it was I had my stop loss at 176 points. Why did I have it up here? I wanted to give price just in case price came up a little bit more. You guys can see here we have like a kind of like an imbalance here that could have been filled, but it didn't, so I'm not worried about that. But I was giving price a little bit of room just in case it wants to come up and, you know, stab inside of that imbalance. So like I say, price showed displacement, we ran back up. This could have been a entry here, fair value gap entry, but I was very confident that price was going to run up inside this order block. So I was really patient on this trade. That's why I say I'm very proud of myself on this setup, because I was patient. I waited for price to come right to my zone. I didn't get trigger happy. And also you guys can go see my live execution on this setup that I took. I did post that video. So very simple trade here, guys. Price ran up inside the order block. I took half of the trade off here. I took a big chunk of this trade off the moment we took sell side liquidity, and as price ran down, I went ahead and closed out right here at 887 points for this week. So let's say, guys, this was the only trade setup that I took this week. 1-0 this week, very profitable week. Like I say, it's not about taking every trade. It's not about trading every single day. If you take 1 to 2 high probability setups, you can get exactly what you're looking for in trading. It's not about taking 10 trades a week, 5 trades a week. That's just, you're just setting yourself up for losses. To be honest, no one wins every single time. So if you're trading 5 days out of the week, you're basically asking to lose. So that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. As I say, once again, guys, these videos are simply for me, so I can go back and look at my progress, guys. I'm not a teacher. I'm not an ICT teacher. None of that. I use ICT concepts. I'm an ICT student, and I study his concepts and content a lot. That's all. I'm not here to teach. I'm not here to do any of that but share my progress. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and trade safely.